Getting close to that 500-hour mark? Need to swap out your filters but you don't know which ones to get? JCB has you covered. It is always preached that time is money, and having to deal with the service can be heavily time-consuming. Having to identify which type of filters are needed for the respected service interval, and then recognizing which filters are the right ones for your machine can be quite the hassle. With our new filter kits, we now offer an easy, hassle-free experience. These filters are structured to fit on their specified machine for any build, as well as being at a lower price than the individual parts, increasing uptime and saving costs. We have now widened our range of filter kits to cover mini excavators, load-alls, fast tracks, and many more JCB products. The benefits of these kits will not only improve the service experience, but will provide a sense of reassurance that you are receiving the proper, genuine JCB filters for your machine to maintain performance at its peak. To purchase your kit today, contact your local JCB dealer or visit the JCB website. JCB, always looking for a better way.